P. Daniel. It is very unfortunate that I am having doubt whether we are having the democracy or not. Fighting peacefully is our right as per the constitution. Being a prime minister, is he not supposed to respect the constitution? The girls, young girls were brutally attacked, they were kicked. Is it the democracy? And what is their sin? What is their problem? They have simply asked for the justice. And lastly what happened? Leak. Is it confined to only the girls? Is it confined to only the boys? It is confined to each and every boy of the country. Only thing is that we are not able to go there. But those guys, those people, they are fighting on behalf of us also. Instead of condemning that, some people, they are telling they are funded by foreign countries. Shameful on their part. Shameful. Who is supporting? Shame. So they are. So one boy, him simply when the police were giving the lathi charge, he was standing like that. Come on, beat me, sir, beat me, like that. For whom? That is for the youth. And lastly, instead of, once upon a time, Lal Bahadur Shastri was the railway minister. There was an accident, railway accident. Simply, he has taken the moral responsibility and he resigned from the post. Central minister, railway minister. Is he not having shame? This Pradhan. Is he not having the shame to resign? Is the prime minister is not the guts to ask him to resign? What is happening in the country? Shameful on the part. And I am very sorry to say, CGI is not having the time to see the videos. And the Gundas, they are encroached into the gangs as if they are also the cockroach party people. In fact, all the police you see here now, they are having the name tabs or not? They are having the name tabs, each and every person, each and every uniform. I served there. So, uniform means name tabs. Why those people are not having this name tab? And why the civil people, they are having the lathis in their hands? They were Gundas. Gundas. And they wanted to blame. They wanted to say shame on their part. Anyway. Okay, now time is not done. Save democracy! Thank you very much.
మిత్రులారా ఇప్పుడు